So, this is what the original equipment exhaust sounds like for the Pan Am. Yeah. Yeah. Pathetic.
This is going to be a quick video at Stealth Pipes. You guys have a nice little curved pipe. I love the way it looks. I think it would look very nice on this bike. This does not have, this has also stainless pipes on it. So I would like to know if you guys are going to come out with a pipe for the Pan America. This is an S model. If that makes a difference, I don't think it does. But anyways, I love the way your pipes look. And I was just about to get some. I'm sorry. I almost bought some for my Road King, but I decided that I was, well, I mean, I kind of lucked into a Pan America deal that I just could not let go. I've wanted one of these bikes for a very long time, but I seen that you guys make one for just about every other bike that Harley makes, sans the Revolution Max. I'm looking for one of those pipes. I love the way it looks. I think it would look magnificent on a Harley Pan America. It already has a stainless exhaust, so pretty much it would be a bolt-on. It wouldn't even have to be a full bolt-on exhaust. It's only the pipe after the header. That would be stupendous, really. I love your guys' pipes. I've seen you on Cruzy Originals, and honestly, seriously, that was my next pipe that I was going to buy. I was going to do that on my Road King, but like I said, this bike, it just, you know, when a deal falls into your lap, you hop on it. So, please, if you see this, hit me up. If you guys get a hold of me, I promise I will do an install video. I will give you a review. I see other bikes, but they don't look as classy. And this, I swear, this is about as racy bike as Harley gets. It's nimble. It is fast. It might be the fastest bike I think this is the fastest production bike that Harley makes. So, I love your guys' pipes. I think they are some of the best. And, yeah. If anyone else wants to comment, if you've ever had a Stealth pipe and you'd like to say something, please go ahead down in the comments. Also, like and subscribe. Click that ding-ling to be notified of any new videos I'm coming out with. All that stuff helps with the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for anything you guys do, liking, subscribing, all that stuff. I appreciate it. I read every single comment. And I guess that's going to be it from me in Wichita here. My 2021 Harley-Davidson Pan America. And bye, y'all.